Hey guys, today we are playing Animal Crossing New Horizons. And if you don't remember last time, I got myself an axe. So now I'm just cutting some trees. Maybe I should try this on some stones. I'll try this on some stones, see what happens. So if there's like a nearby stone, maybe I can do it. I hope this axe doesn't break. Oh, oh! You could get stuff by hitting it? I'm getting mostly stone, but it's fine. Oh! My axe broke! That was trusty. And I barely got to use it. Wow, sad. But, I think I can craft a, let's check out my craftable. Huh. So, I need 3 more hardwood. So, yeah, I have to go get some more stuff. But I'll get this trash tools thing. Did you get any others? Just want to check. Nope. Well, that really was the end of the line for my trusting flimsy axe. Well, at least I can craft a new one. So all I need to be able to have a crafting bench is very simple. Just need to cut down some more trees. That kind of sounds like s'more trees. That's funny. But by the very end of this day, I am gonna try and make my own crafting bench, so I won't have to go to Tom Nook's time every time. I don't want to go to Tom Nook every time. So let's craft this flimsy axe. Bam, 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 da, 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 da. All done. So if you like how my character looks, thank you. Please subscribe for that. But guys, I want to tell you something. In 50 subscribers, when I get 50 subscribes, here's what I'll do. I will, drum rolls please. Here's what I'll do. I will actually make some merchandise. So yeah. Okay. So I want my flimsy axe. And I'm like running out of item space, so sad. Keep swinging it. Nope. Oh, I got Nook Miles. More Nook Miles. Guys, I am so close to getting 5,000. That's enough for my moving fees. So happy. Okay. Nothing in that tree, nothing in that one. Oh, oh. So, I might need to place some trash. So, I'll just plant one, plant one, plant one. Well, I already have the space. Yeah, let's just keep mining. Nope. I need hardwood badly. Well, looks what I got it. Let's go craft my crafting bench. Holy moly. I am gonna craft the crafting bench. Should I craft something using... Yes, let's craft. Okay. Craftable. Craft it. Let's do it. Bam, bam, hit, hit, hit. And I got it. I made a simple DIY workbench. Do it yourself. That's what it means. Holy moly. It's pretty late. I will put my simple DIY bench in here. Just saying, everybody, this is time. This is the time for like my real IRL thing. Like IRL. Real life. In real life. Oh my god. This is like super exciting. Oh, cool. Did I craft something? Let's craft. Yo, now I can craft inside. That was fun. I finally got a DIY workbench. So now I can or cannot go there if I want. Oh, and I think I got Nook Miles for that. Okay. No. I got something new. Oh, here. Hoard reward. Claim. They get any else? Nope. Too bad, so sad. Angling for perfection. Okay, I will fish, I guess. But first I have some trash I'd like to sell. So maybe I should sell my trash. Which is really helpful. I want to sell. Okay. Guess I'll give you some softwood, some wood, another empty can. I think I have an idea what to do. I will also use the stones as an offering. And this. Yeah, that's mostly it. Go to find things to run today. Let me just. All done. Okay. Oh, that's a lot. Sold. So here's my other 1,000 in here. In my savings. ABD. Withdraw. Max amount. Now I got all my bells again. Look how many bells I have. I am like rich. Sign off. Hi, Tom Nook. I found a creature. Oh, splendid. Let's have a look, shall we? I'll give him the squid. Even though it's my first catch, I'm giving him the squid. Oh, what a catch. I do believe this is the squid. Do you mind if I send this magnificent... Yep. I want you to send all of them. I want you to send all of them. Oh. I got a red rose. Like a plant. Everything's like so cool. Okay, I found another creature. Oh, another creature. Well, let's have a look at that one with I'm gonna give you my pale chub. What a catch. I do believe this is a pale chub. Do you mind if I send this magnificent creature to my museum craving? Thank you. I promise that I'll take extra good care of your pale chub. Oh, remember the flower cereals I gave you? I forgot to mention something. The flowers that will grow will be very strong. They'll spring up even if you just plant them and forget them. But if you water them each day, that's where the magic happens. Watering opens possibility. Okay, I'm just gonna... Okay. And how might you water them? A watering can, sweet. Okay. Okay. So, anyway guys, this is the perfect time to end